Maine summer camps are now required to follow the U.S. CDC guidelines if they want to open this season.
Because kids 12 and under aren't able to be vaccinated yet, safety protocols will be in place for many facilities. News Center Maine's Jackie Mundry takes us to camp.
Camps are preparing to welcome kids back across the state.
We're seeing the light at the end of a tunnel.
Construction is underway at Camp Wawanock in Raymond, where they are adding a new dining hall and bathroom, which will give them the opportunity to get back to full capacity safely.
We are adding a testing protocol.
Katrina Sangster is the director at Camp Wawanock. She says campers will be tested before they arrive to camp and 5 days into camp to ensure a healthy summer for everyone. And counselors and staff will be vaccinated, but still will be careful and take things outside.
I mean, that's the beauty of camp, though. We get to do so many things outdoors, so that was easy.
From an overnight camp to a day camp, Camp Ketcha in Scarborough is following the same CDC guidelines. But for Tom Doherty and his staff, that's easy to do because they have had day programs all year long.
A lot of our families work in healthcare and had to get back into work. They didn't have a choice.
Ron Hall is the executive director of the Maine Summer Camp Association. He says camp staff are working hard to make camp as normal as possible this year.
I think the biggest difference will be indoors.
He adds that all but 3 of the state's camps will be opening for in-person programs this summer. One of those camps is Camp Sunshine, which for the second year in a row will be virtual. Jerusha Chacon and her family have been going to camp for 8 years, since her 8-year-old son Foster was diagnosed with a tumor in his eye. The Chacon family will be participating in virtual camp again this year. Like most families during the pandemic, though, it's been a challenge.
The challenges are each other.
It's a lot of time together.
While Broderick, Weston, and Foster can't wait to go to camp with their friends again, there have been some good times this year.
We go on every
Wednesdays we go on adventures.
Camps may not be back 100%, but there will still be a number of children from across the country going to camp here in Maine this year. Jackie Mundry, News Center Maine.